the easy V. Let's see what happens when V comes in the words. No matter at the beginning, middle, or at the end, I will let you know. Well, V looks like U in the vowels, but you will understand to differentiate these two because it just depends on what word you are talking about, okay? You will learn it, don't worry about that. Just you learned U, how it comes, and this one is the same as that, but only sounds different. V, like V in English, V. Let's go and see what happens to this one. As it looks like would be really easy because it has just one form and attached from this part. Comes at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end. Sometimes attached from here, sometimes doesn't. It can come alone and it can attach depending on the letter before that. But let's go and see how it comes in an actual word. Look at this first word. Comes at the beginning, doesn't attach to anything because we know it doesn't attach from here. Only if it attached would be from here. So at the beginning doesn't attach here. وسط. وسط. وسط is the same as middle in English. وسط, middle, middle, وسط. Here we have our way in this part and it attached from here. It can be attached from this part, but sometimes it comes in the middle of a word and doesn't attach from any part of it. But this one, I wanted you to know how it looks like when it attaches to something, like this. دیوار. دیوار. See, it doesn't attach to A because V never attached from here. So A doesn't attach to it. دیوار. دیوار is the same as wall in English. دیوار, wall. What about this one? Well, it came at the end and it attached from here. So how I read it? Div. Div. Although I just want you to see how it looks like actually and where it can attach and where it doesn't. Div. Div is the same as monster in English. Div, monster. And our last word, where we have our V completely separate and at the end. Gav. Gav. Gav is the same as cow in English. So now you know, depending on the place of V in a word, where does it attach and where it doesn't, how it would look like, plus, for new words. Well, for practice, 2 or 3 lines of this one. I just want you to make this part in another, write this part in another color, so you will remember from where it just can attach. Just try, no pressure. Try to write once each one of them, just for practice. And until next session, instead of saying middle, we say وسط. Instead of saying wall, we say دیوار. Instead of saying monster, we say div. And instead of saying cow, we say gav. When you did it, comment for me. If you had any questions, comment for me. And I see you guys next session. Don't forget to subscribe and bye.